Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel ABR Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how you can increase the watch hours without getting penalized by YouTube. Alright, here you can get a watch hour to any number you want, but all you have to spend here is your mobile data. Right, so if you have enough mobile data, this will go well for you. Okay, so like this channel is quite new anyway. It's quite new, and I'm trying the method. I was just having about 12 hours on this channel, so I just try it for a day and I got this 25 hours. All right, 12 minus 25, you have 13 hours extra. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like our videos. Drop a comment. Okay, in any part you're confused, just let us know and we'll help. All right, so please, in case you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. All right, we're gonna be doing a shout out to our subscribers randomly. Okay, so be part of this shout out. All right, so as you can see, I have just um 331 subscribers, and I just have 25 watch hours. All right, so let's get to the point. Okay, so what we're going to be doing here is just to go to the YouTube channel we want to increase the watch hours. All right, so I'm going to be typing the youtube.com. when we get here when we get here, we're going to be looking for the channel. My channel was ABR Tech. Okay, I have a lot of videos here, and I'm going to be searching for the channel I want to use. Okay, so but just get this beforehand. What is important here is the browser you're going to be using is either you're using Google Chrome or Firefox. And when you're using Google Chrome, be reminded that you're going to be putting it on incognito. And if it's for Firefox, you're going to be pressing alternate plus control, then you P to put it on VPN mode so that YouTube will be unable to get your IP address. All right, so I'm going to be adding this video to watch later, or as you can see, I'm doing it already. All right, so you're going to be adding them to watch later, watch later, watch later. But remember to sign in with the same email later, same email you are adding these things to. Okay, so you're going to be adding this later, watch later, watch later. You add everything to watch later. Just continue that process. So after everything, clear the browser history and you put it in incognito mode. All right, stay private with Mozilla Firefox. You're going to be doing it by pressing your alternate button, Control then P to put you on this. Clear the browser, then you open YouTube again. Okay, this is the VPN. You have two pages here. The other page is for the website, and here you're going to be typing in YouTube here, youtube.com. When you go to youtube.com, you can now go to the file your watch later. All right, clear the history like I said earlier. You clear the history about everything you've done to avoid YouTube tracing it. Okay, when that has been cleared, you go to youtube.com. So let's wait for it to load, and when it loads, you're gonna be signing in. Let's sign in the account. All right, after looking for ABR Tech, we must sign in to get what we put on watch later. Okay, here is it. All right, so but we are not signing. We're going to sign into that same email we use in saving those videos to watch later. All right, here is the email, and I have the password there. You next. Then I'm going to confirm it and then continue. Now let's go to the watch later tab, which is by the left there. When you click on it, you will see play all. All right, we have play all here. Can you see the option? Here are the video we added. These are all my videos I created. Okay, we're going to be playing all so that everything will be played from the beginning to the end. All right, from the beginning to the end. I told you earlier, you're going to be wasting airtime here, data here. So you click on play all so that it will play every of the video. Okay, now you mute it so that you don't hear sound. Start duplicating the tab. Okay, duplicate the tab so that everything will be playing on the ground. Duplicate the same tab, like 10 tabs. We're going to be opening like 10 tabs. All right, 10 of these tabs will be okay. All right, so while this thing is happening, it's going to be loading. Duplicate it. You duplicate another. Still duplicate it. Still duplicate this. At least we're going to be having 10 tabs here. All right, let's count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then the last one. Okay, and make sure everything is playing. Okay, everything will start playing. Okay, as it is playing, YouTube will be recording your watch hours. But remember that you won't be penalized for this. All right. So the any watch hour or minute that is not valid to use YouTube, it will be removed. This won't affect your channel unless you are monetized already. Okay, you can only do this to get your account monetized in time. All right. So that's the simple process, and it costs nothing. Now you keep watching that everything, all of the tab are playing the same time. Okay, they are playing because you added play all right. So that's the simple term steps in doing these things. All right, how to create paper account 2021, send and receive 100% working paper account in Nigeria. If you click another tab, you see the same thing. All right, and it will be playing. Click another tab, it will be the same thing all through. Okay, that's a simple method I use to increase my watch hours. Okay, but apart from this, in our next video, we're going to be talking about how you can get subscribers easily. Okay, how you can get subscribers, how you can meet up with the requirement so that you get monetized and start making money on YouTube. Okay, we're going to be handling that, all right? So I'm trying to, from the video, you can see the first one is playing, and here, look at the time, look at the time frame. You go to the third one, you see the same thing. It's playing, look at the time frame. Everything is playing on the ground and it's counting. They're counting as well, all right? So that's the simple steps. All the video is about creating PayPal account. And when it wants to move to another one, everything will move to another step. Like create ad mode app with phone and earn. Alright? The whole thing. All these videos will be played. Okay, so these are the tips I have. If you want to do this kind of a method, you should have long videos. Video of 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 30 minutes, alright? You will see better results. That's just a simple step on getting watch hours. All right, so this is my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please don't forget. All right, you're free to share with your friends and help us reach our goals. All right, thank you and God bless you. Stay connected. All right, drop a comment if you're confused. Okay, drop a comment.